Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a few essentials before adding extensions. Do them now. Ensure your device runs a compatible OS, Roblox is updated, and you have a file manager installed. For Android, pick a browser with WebView support. For iOS, plan to use a shortcut or a proxy approach. Once done, enable storage permissions and optional developer options to allow sideloading. Make sure you back up your Roblox session or cookies so you can recover quickly if something changes. Now install and configure the extension carefully. Download the package from a trusted source and verify its checksum, then use your file manager to move it into the App Accessible folder. On iOS, import via shortcuts or a signing tool. On Android, sideload the app and grant required permissions. Once installed, enable the extension in your browser or WebView host, configure overlays and key bindings, and test with a non-critical Roblox session so you can confirm behavior without risking. Finish by testing the extension in a sandbox environment. Observe CPU, memory, and network activity so you spot problems early. If something breaks, clear the app cache, reapply permissions, and reinstall the package, then retest. Make sure you revoke any permissions the extension does not need and restore your backup session only after confirming stability. If you still have issues, disable other overlays or VPNs. Because conflicts, they are the most common cause of mobile extension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.